Hello loves, it's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I slayed this wig. Okay, slayed and laid it, baby. But this unit is from Geniuswigs. If you are not familiar with, we should be familiar with Geniuswigs, especially if you watch a lot of my hair tutorials. I've worked with them on several occasions. So I'm excited to show you this unit because baby, it's looking good, okay? So if you are familiar with wigs, you know about HD lace. However, they've upgraded their lace and now they offer crystal lace. So if you're not familiar with the differences, I do want to tell you real quick before we get into the install. So crystal lace is a little bit more durable than HD lace. HD lace is easy to tear. If it's broken into tiny holes, it's not recoverable. However, with crystal lace, it's only slightly deformed. Here's both the normal HD lace and the crystal lace side by side. The crystal lace is a little bit more transparent while the HD lace does have a brown undertone. So here's me just poking holes just to show you the difference and the damage that it makes. So here's all of the goodies that come in the box. The inside of the wig, of course, it has your clips, also has your adjustable band clip in the back. This is the hairline straight out the box. I did go in and just pluck out a little bit more just to customize it to my specific hairline, but it is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so that saves you a lot of time. I'm just putting the cap on now and applying the wig. So this is how it looks, just straight out the box. You see the hairline looks really good. This lace is really transparent. The first thing I like to do is just go ahead and cut the lace around my ears. That just really helps with the placement of the wig. So cutting the lace around your ears is very important. I also like to clean up around my forehead where I'm going to be applying my spray to lay the lace. I like to clean it with alcohol. So now I'm just using one of my favorite sprays. I think this is by Even New York. I'll have it linked down below for you guys, but this spray right here is bomb. My wig will last all day without lifting. I might have minor lifting around my ears. That's the only place that gives me trouble. So I'm just going to go ahead, I let it sit for about 5 minutes with the scarf on. Now we're just going to go ahead and cut the lace. And I like to do it jagged. I don't just cut in one straight line. I like to do like a little zigzag. It just makes it look a little bit more natural to me. And I'm going to pull out some baby hairs. Of course, if this is not your thing, you can definitely wear it without baby hairs. You can just push it back and, do your desired style. However, I like to do minimum baby hairs, just like flick a little bit out. So hot comb is going to be a lifesaver, a game changer. It's just going to help lay that wig down and get it as flat as possible. So I'm going to do a lot with the hot comb. So as you can see, I'm just going in and just plucking out a little bit of the baby hairs. And I'm going to end up cutting these baby hairs just a little bit shorter. So right now I'm just taking my foam and I am slicking them down. So yeah, I just went in, cut it just a little bit shorter, and it looked a little bit better to me. So I wanted to do like a no part side look type of thing, but the way that it came out, it just was not giving what it needed to give. So I ended up making it into a middle part, but you guys will see that later. So I'm just going in, adding a little spray right now and making sure my baby hairs are slicked down. So I just sprayed it, and I am using the cool setting with my blow dryer. So right now I was just putting in the little curls. Like I said, I was trying to do like a little side part action. I was watching Simone Cherise. In one of her latest videos, she had did like a look like this where she really didn't have a part, but the hair was going to one side. So I was like, you know what? I don't feel like trying to figure this out today. Let me just go with what I know. So right here, I was just spraying my oil sheen. I was like, forget this. Let's just put a middle part. And look at that makeup, baby. Girl, looking good. Also, as you can see, I was just taking a wax stick. That's going to be a lifesaver as well. It helps with flyaways, and it just helps with slicking down the hair and getting it to go the way that you want it to go. So if you use the wax stick, look, I'm getting ready to use it again right here for this part. It's going to help get that hump away. So if you use your wax stick and then go over it with the hot comb, it definitely makes a huge difference. And sometimes I can be really heavy-handed with the wax stick and it weighs the hair down. But right now I'm just filling in my part just to make it look a little bit more defined. Definitely optional, but it really makes that part stand out in my opinion. So just cutting those sideburns and boom, baby, we are done. Hair looking good. All of the links will be down below. Of course, you can wear this glueless, and also you can wear it glueless, and that is basically it. Everything is linked down below if you guys are interested in this unit. Thank you to Geniuswigs for sponsoring this video and sending over this bomb wig. They never fail you, girl. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.